Hello. Today I'd like to talk about embracing my Maroon family history. I am a proud Maroon. My family history is very important to me because it helped me to understand who I am and to embrace my strengths and weaknesses. Understanding one's family history is very important in helping to shape one's character and personal growth and development. When I was growing up, my grandmother told me that our family were descendants of Nanny of the Maroons. Nanny of the Maroons was the first woman in history to cause the British to sign a peace treaty with slaves in Jamaica. Nanny was also from the Ashanti warrior tribe of Ghana. Today in Jamaica, Nanny is recognized as a national hero of Jamaica and her portrait has been used on Jamaican currency. The Maroons were a group of rebel slaves. They ran away from the plantations and formed their own government in the hills of Jamaica. The territory they occupied was dangerous. The area is known today as the Cockpit Country.